everyone. So I have my next tool for you here, which is Playground AI. So if you are new, I've been going through some AI tools to kind of help you leverage your teaching practices to really get you the things that you need. So here's another one. This one's called Playground AI. You can follow along with me if you want. Otherwise, I'll just kind of show you what it does, and it creates pictures, which I think is super fun. So I'm kind of halfway through the tutorial right now. I did need to log in with an account, so that is, something. But maybe I'm looking for, yeah, great. I'm just playing around with it right now. I will walk you through what it goes through because it's showing me the tutorial back here. So I want to make sure I get through those things, and then I will show you how to play it. So this is a really great tool if you are looking to generate some pictures for student interests that maybe are just a little bit out there, a little bit bizarre. Maybe you want to create some pictures for social stories. Maybe you are looking for a specific motivator for a student. So I'll show you a couple of things with some specific characters or things that kids are interested in. It does take a while for it to load. As you can see, as I'm talking, this is still loading. A dog reading a book in the park is what I did with this one. And honestly, that's super cute. I think my students would love that. But now I want it in pixel art. So I went and did a filter on the side. You can do different filters. And depending on obviously how many people are actually using this tool is probably how slow it goes. Plus it needs to generate a whole specific thing. So that's why it's taking a little bit to go here. But I feel yes, again, this could be great for social stories, motivational systems, really getting your students engaged in what's going on. These could be things that they earn. So maybe they're really looking forward to dog pictures and you just can't find enough dog pictures, bring in their interest, a pink dog. You can change the color of the dog. Honestly, you can do as specific as you want or as general as you want. I just started to play around with it and did a dog reading a book in the park and see what it came up with. So here's now a pixel art of a dog reading a book, which is super cute. So let me see if I have any other, yeah, if you have a kid that's really into anime, super fun, oil paintings, pixel art, pop art, fashion magazines. You can have it related to fashion magazines, cartoonish, all these kinds of things are really kind of fun. I want none. So anyways, let me just start and go, okay. Let's see, a boy with red hair in the style of SpongeBob. Let's see what it comes up with. Because maybe your student is into SpongeBob. All right, so now it's going to take a little bit to load. Great. It's telling me I've already learned the basics. Good. So this is, again, really super fun to bring in. There you go. All right, maybe not the style of SpongeBob. Maybe it was just a yellow background. Let's see. Style of SpongeBob SquarePants. How about that? From Nickelodeon. There we go. Let's see what it comes up with then. Maybe I need to get a little bit more specific with it. See what it comes up with. I don't really know what it'll come up with. All right, that's a little bit better. Getting a little closer, okay? Okay, but maybe you want boy with red hair in the style of, let's go Rugrats. Just change it up a little bit. Let's see what it'll generate. Try to get some different things, right? I was trying to get a little bit more specific because I want to see a boy with red hair, but in the style of Rugrats, which it'll probably look like Chucky. It's fine. Let's see what it comes up with in that style art. But again, super great and motivating for students. There you go. This is legit what I was looking for. I don't know why he doesn't have legs. Again, AI, but maybe you just want to cut the face. Right? Maybe that looks like one of your students. Super fun, super motivational, can be such a great tool to then kind of create some different things of interest. Maybe you want a horse, a black horse riding into the sunset. See what it comes up with. as I'm continuing to just like create these things. They're super fun. But maybe that's something your students is interested is riding horses so that you want to see, yeah, this great photo, copy and paste, add to. I can download it. I can copy it and paste it. Yeah, I love it. So super fun, super cool. And then obviously you can save it. You can share it with others. I can email it to myself. It's kind of like a Google Doc, but you can save it and send it to yourself. So super fun to play around with. If you have any questions about Playground AI, let me know. But have fun.